Hi there, welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Today we're going to stake our tomatoes in our pots and we're going to show you how we support our tomatoes in our beds. Let's go look. Some hard work right there. I only got 7 poles put in, 7 fence posts, and I'm tired. So it is hard work driving it into this black gumbo clay. But once we get them all in there, we'll be able to support these tomatoes. They're really needing it now. They're laying down and they need support. Push it through. There we go.
Maybe we should go from the other side.
No. Now bring the other one on the other side. We're going to sandwich these plants between these 2 poles. So you have to go low so we can sandwich the plant. Now you're on the wrong side of that plant. You need to be on this side. There you go, right there. Just kind of send it through low. There we go.
Did I poke you?
Doesn't matter.
My bad.
So now I'm just going to tie this up right about here.
Ooh, that plant right there is looking pretty sorry. The one in front of you.
Once it gets propped up, it'll look pretty good. Alright, so we'll just tie this up and I'll make sure that my plant is sandwiched in between. Probably smush it a little bit. That's okay. It'll grow just fine. That's how we do it. Tighten up these plants inside these 2 bamboo poles that are tied to stakes across the garden, and it really does a good job of keeping these things sturdy and upright in the wind. Now we pruned these just maybe a week ago, and you can see they're already growing leaves down toward the ground. This helps to pick things up, and you can prune the leaves and keep the bottom clear, keep the leaves off the ground, but also support the plants. Now one like this, I'll probably move them over and tie them so that I have a nice tidy garden and there's space between the plants. But you can see, keeps them sandwiched in there pretty good. There we go, the super guppy. Coming into Ellington, carrying space stuff.
2, 3.
Do this one, okay? Remember, they have to be evenly spaced like a triangle.
Make that perimeter of triangle.
I like to end with a square knot and then cap it with an overhand knot just to be sure. It seems this cotton butcher's twine seems to respond well to that, and it holds a knot all through the season, maybe even a couple of years it'll hold that knot.
So I need 2 more poles. I'm gonna go get one.
All right, well they're right over there by your garden.
Yeah.
So here's what they look like when they're done. You just got your basic 3-pole Teepee. It's a kind of old school, old-fashioned way, but it works. And so when these tomatoes start to get needing support, I can tie string from each post and create somewhat of a cage there, or I can tie them directly to the pole themselves. I kind of like the cage method. It's basically a poor man's cage, and it doesn't require a lot of money. That's right. What is 3? What is 3 times 3? That's how multiplication works in real life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
And
one.
so what do you got there?
I just now caught this lizard.
You know, that little dude, that is a male, and he's been here showing off in the potted plants for a few days now. And over in the blueberry area over there, right over there, there's a female.
Huh.
But he's been showing off. Let me get a close look at that guy.
Yeah.
Looks like he's about to shed his skin, huh?
Yeah.
He's brown. You know what brown means?
They're not happy.
Not happy. Not happy, Bob.
Not happy.
So that's how we do it with supporting our tomato plants in the ground and in our containers. It's an economical method once you get set up with the fence posts. I just bought some more fence posts today because I didn't have enough, and we're going to also trellis our cucumbers with fence posts and nylon netting. But that's how we do it. Thanks for joining me today on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.